Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing well. For this week, I have my paycheck cash stuffing. Finally, I'm so excited to bring this to you guys for this week. I know it is a little late and I didn't have time to do my budget with me for this week, but catch me in 2020. I'm going to be doing a lot better with my budget and everything like that. But if you guys are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Jessica. I am 26 years old. I am single. I work full-time in the medical field, and this is how I like to budget my paychecks and how I like to save my money. I use the Dave Ramsey cash stuffing, sinking funds, stuffing thingamajig kind of thing. If you have any questions about it, it's really easy to just look it up online. I'm probably not describing it very well at all, but if you guys are interested in this type of thing, I would definitely love if you subscribe to my channel. In 2020, I have so many plans for budgeting videos that I cannot wait. Excuse my nails also. It's Sunday. I usually do my nails on Sunday, so here we are. But I am looking forward to 2020. I have so many goals, so many things I want to accomplish when it comes to my money. And yeah, if you guys want to see me stuff my sinking funds, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so I'll give you guys a quick little overview since I didn't do a budget with me for this paycheck. I'll just show you guys the bills that I have. So I have my Afterpay because I bought a lot of clothes, so I have to pay that off. My TD Bank card, my monthly fee for my Chase, Epidemic, and Hulu for a total of $475 for my fixed expenses, which if you don't know what fixed expenses are, those are the bills that happen every month. They're pretty much just bills, if that makes sense. Next up, I have my variable expenses, which is like groceries, gas, toiletries, spending money, everything like that. So I have groceries at $150, gas at $50, food out $25, Roger at $10, and fun at $50 for a total of $285. I have been doing a cashless method for this. I've just been putting it on like not a prepaid credit card, but like my credit card and just using my credit card whenever I want to spend and just paying it off with the cash that I put aside for each paycheck, if that makes sense. Moving on to sinking funds. These are the sinking funds that I will be stuffing for this paycheck. I have decided for the new year that I'm going to be stuffing 2 sets of sinking funds. So I'll have sinking funds number 1 and then sinking funds number 2. And sinking funds number 1 gets stuffed with the first paycheck of the month. Sinking funds number 2 gets stuffed with the second paycheck of the month. I get paid bi-weekly, so every 2 weeks I get a paycheck on Friday. And yeah, it's really great. So that's really all I have to say about that. So this is pretty much how I break down each of my checks. I will have this printable linked down below for you guys. It's from yours truly Printables. And moving on to how I do my denominations. This is actually supposed to say December 4th, because that was my paycheck date, I think. Whatever. So these are all of the sinking funds that I'm going to be stuffing. The amount, I'm going to be stuffing $660 this paycheck, which is a lot, and I'm really excited about it. And yeah, these are all my denominations, how I figure out how I'm going to stuff everything. And this always takes me such a long time, so you guys are really lucky that you missed the budget with me for this month because it was a hot ass mess. So I'm going to move this over to the side. And then I'm going to have, let me see, can I put this over here? And let's go ahead and spread out our money. Look how cute these hundreds are. Are you kidding me? Like, I love the old hundreds. They're so freaking cute. So for this paycheck, I'm going to be stuffing my lovely cream binder. This binder is from Michael's. I don't know if they have them anymore. I went to Michael's and I actually got another one that I will show you guys what I use that for, but this is it. It just is like, looks like this. Nothing crazy. I will have my envelopes linked down below as well for you guys. I'm actually going to move this over here, I think. Let me see what I can do. Let me reorganize. Let me regroup. Maybe I can move these like this. Yeah. That's cute. I am definitely in the market for a cash tray, and I am so excited to get one. If you guys have like any recommendations for one, definitely let me know down below. I know that like I love Pink Budgets. Her channel is like my favorite budgeting channel. I love the way she speaks. Like, it's so freaking relaxing. So yeah, I'm definitely in the market for that. Oh, that's perfect. Why didn't I ever think of this before? I have no idea. If you guys see a little leg over here, this is my microphone so that you guys can hear me. Let me move that out of frame if I can. It's like gonna fall off, and then that won't be good for anybody. All right, so we can move this down actually. I'm getting crazy over here. But how are you guys? How is your budgeting going? How is your Christmas shopping going? I know what I'm getting everybody for Christmas in my family. I'm just getting my immediate family gifts and like 2 of my friends. And that's really it, because that's all I see. Those are the only people I see. But how is yours going? Definitely let me know down below. Okay, so starting out with vacation. I'm definitely going to be stuffing this because maybe I'll be taking like some road trips eventually, but we'll see. So vacation's going to get 15. Actually, I'm going to take my phone so that this can lay down a little bit. Perfect. And we'll move this up. Perfect. All right, now we're in action. Vacation's going to get 15, so a 10 and a 5. I'm going to update the trackers after the video because I feel like that is what takes forever whenever I am filming. So that's just gonna go in here and close it up. Birthday is gonna get 15. My birthday is now like a year away, so starting out now saving is going to leave me with so much, and I am so excited for it. So birthday is going to get $15. Clothing is going to get $5. I don't need any clothes until the springtime, honestly, because I was getting a little crazy. Clothing's going to get 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let me make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because sometimes I'll be counting these ones like I have no sense at all. So there's that. Electronics is going to get 15. That's super fun. I am looking to buy a iPad just to like upgrade my videos and everything like that, so I'm really excited. So electronic has 10, 20, 25, 30, 31. Wait, right? 10, 25, 30, 31. Yeah, I don't know why I can't count ever, but you know. So that's great. Down payment is going to get 25, and that's going to be a 20 and a $5 bill. Perfect. So down payment has 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. I should probably put like a little dollar in there just to make it even, you think? So this is towards a down payment for a future home, and I'm just starting early, you know? Social is going to get 20. This is for like if I go out to dinner, something like that. I know we're probably going to go back into like a lockdown pretty dang soon, so it should be fun. Miscellaneous is going to get $10. This is just for things that like don't fall into a category. Like say if I want to just like buy something that doesn't fit into here, this is what this money is for, and it's going to get a $10 bill. So miscellaneous has 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. I really want to bulk up this envelope to like, I don't know, like $500 so that anything that comes up, this is where I go. Cushion is going to get 15. I want to build up my cushion that I have in the bank. Well, like, not, I guess I won't have it in the bank, but that I use just as like a buffer in my bank account. So 10, 15, because right now I'm not necessarily doing zero-based budgeting, but I'm pretty like close to doing it, so I just want to have this as like a little buffer. So that gets its 15. Beauty is going to get 20. Guys, my hairstylist is moving and I'm so sad about it. She has been doing my hair since I was like 12 years old and I don't know what I'm going to do with myself. But yeah, so this is for Beauty. Spending is going to get 15. This is for like online spending if I want to get anything, which I really don't need. So that's going to get a 10 and a 5. Right? Spending, yeah, 15. This is where I forgot the 5 because I always like do this like before I come on camera just so that it doesn't take 10 years. And I was missing a 5 somewhere along here and I forgot to put it right here, over here. So there we go. Rollover doesn't get stuffed unless I have like money left over from my variable expenses. So house is going to get $10. And this is for anything that like I need in my house, like, you know, like a light bulb, whatever, you know, things like that. So that has $20 in it. Gifts is going to get 10. I really want to bulk up gifts because I really struggled with this category last year because I feel like, I don't know why, I had like so many birthdays like back to back and I could never like stuff this because I was always spending it. So this is definitely one that I want to amp up. Do I not have my lashes one? I don't have my lashes envelope. I'll have to go get that, but that is going to get $5. Car maintenance is going to get 25. So, yeah, this is one that I also want to bulk up because I am getting a new car pretty soon. And I want to be able to have a good chunk of change, God forbid something happens. And then Christmas is going to get $100. And this 200 right here will literally cover like all of the gifts, but I'm going to stuff it again next Christmas. So yeah, that's all for this one. I think actually I'm going to move Christmas into this other binder that I have, which I will show you guys. I'm super excited about it. These are the envelopes that get stuffed every paycheck. There's some things that I want to save for like a little bit faster and like I know are coming. So, or like I just like to have like every week or every paycheck. So this first one is savings, and savings always gets $250. So this is $250, and this is just an extra savings that I have, just in case anything happens. I also have a savings in the bank. So this is just cash savings. Amazon is always going to get stuff just because my Amazon is due in April, and I just want to make sure that I have enough to pay that. Roger gets stuffed every week because he always needs things, so I always just put a little $5 away for him per paycheck, just in case something comes up that he needs or whatever and whatnot. I actually need to take some money out of here because I spent some on him. And then, where's my car envelope? Oh, my car envelope is in my other one. Okay, so the ones that are going to get stuffed every week are savings, Amazon, Roger, emergency fund, as well as Christmas. But I'm going to start doing that in 2021. Like, I'll do like a whole video on it. But that's all for right now. And then in my other binder, forgot about this guy, has my car. So car is going to get $100. And then that 5, like I said, goes to lashes. Is lashes in here? I don't think I put lashes back. Let me see. Taxes, medical. No, I didn't put lashes back in here yet, but I do have a lashes envelope. And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will go towards that. But yeah, guys, that is it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know how your budget is going. I would love to hear, and how you're going to change your goals for the new year. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you, girls. Bye.